Hello, thank you for joining me. Now, the question here says a spring has a length of 0.2 meter when a mass of 0.30 kilogram hangs on it, and a length of 0.75 meter when a mass of 1.95 kilogram hangs on it. Calculate the force constant of the spring, and we are giving acceleration to gravity as 10 meter per second square. Now, for us to solve this, I would like us to obtain some important parameter in this question. Please don't allow this question to confuse you at all. Now, what we have there is that at 0.2 meter, the mass that was hanging on it is 0.30 kilogram. Now, when a mass of 1.95 kilogram was hanging on it, the length stretched from this 0.2 to 0.75. So that means the resultant extension produced by adding this mass now, by putting this mass, the resultant extension produced is given by E is equal to 0.75 minus 0.2, and that will give us 0.55 meter. So this is the resultant extension produced, because when 1.95 kilogram was hanging on it, the length was this. And when 0.3 was hanging on it, the length was this. So as we have obtained the resultant extension, we can also obtain the resultant mass from this. That is from 0.30 kilogram to 1.95 kilogram. So that means there's a resultant mass here that produced this resultant extension. So I can say the resultant mass M is equal to this 1.95 minus 0.03, and that will give us 1.65 kilogram. So it is this resultant mass that gives this resultant extension of 0.55 meter. So from there now, the next thing we can do, from this mass, we can get force. Don't forget, we can always convert mass to force, because force is equal to weight, mass times gravity. So the mass of a body multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity give us the weight of that body, which is also the force acting on it, the resultant force of the body. So from there, I have F as the force, the mass 1.65 multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, which is 10. So that gives me the force, the resultant force as 16.5 Newton. So this resultant force is what I'm going to use now for my calculation. So now let's recall the formula from Hooke's law, that F is equal to KE, where F is the resultant force, that's the force acting on a spring, K is the force constant, and A is the extension produced. So substituting values now, I have F, which is 16.5 Newton, is equal to K, which is the force constant that the question asks us to look for. So K is the force constant that we're looking for, multiplied by the extension produced, that is the resultant extension, which is 0.55. So multiply by 0.55. So now the next thing for me to do is to simply divide both sides by 0.55. And I also divide this by 0.55. So this, we cancel this, and I'm left with K, and I can simply write that K first. So I have K is equal to 16.5 divided by 0.55 is going to give me 30. And the unit for force constant is Newton per meter. And that's the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video so that others can learn from it. And don't forget to join me in my next video. Thank you for watching.